Demonstration of Playback app on SuperBox S7 series. Let's explore the Playback app available on SuperBox S7 series. Offering access to major news channels and all sports channels aired within the last 7 days. With a selection of 86 channels, including prominent news channels and comprehensive sports coverage, you'll stay up to date with the latest events. To start watching a show, just select the desired channel and timeline. You can also fast forward or rewind using the progress bar, similar to VOD applications. The advantage of Playback over time shift is that Playback can store up to 7 days of content. Switching between different timelines is effortless, just click the Programs button to navigate seamlessly. In the Settings menu, you can toggle the internet speed status, adjust the aspect ratio, and configure the decode settings to suit your preferences. That concludes our demonstration of the Playback app on SuperBox S7 series.